Chicago Build's an innovative, eclectic group of people that gives you an opportunity to network and understand where the industry's heading.
Most importantly, listen to the panels. The panels are fire this year.
So far, I was speaking on a panel that was focused on sustainability, picked up a few new ideas from people I was able to present with.
I just finished a panel right now, and in the panel you find an architect, an engineer, somebody from not-for-profit, somebody from the building industry, the transportation industry.
If I could describe Chicago Build in one sentence, it would just be innovation.
Anybody who's in the infrastructure industry, whether it's the transportation, if it's the energy, it's the water, even it's a commercial development, it's a great opportunity.
It's a great place to start your networking journey. City of Chicago, CTA, Water Department. It really gives you key access to those integral people that can give you the way and lead you to the correct contracting opportunities.
I think it's important both for the education of what's happening and trends in the industry, and also new products, and just continuing to show that it's a people business and get people together.
Chicago Build is a great opportunity for a networking connection.
We're creating opportunities for us to communicate and exchange information.
The venue is great, the knowledge is great, the atmosphere is excellent, so I highly recommend it.